Hi, this is Aditya. Welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can install Chrome browser on your favorite operating system, which is Ubuntu. So for that, I have shared a complete Medium article. You can also refer this article from the description box. And here I have explained two methods to install Chrome browser on your Ubuntu. The first is via web and second is via terminal. So definitely Linux enthusiast will prefer the terminal way, where you will simply update the repositories, run wget command to get the deb file from the internet, and using dpkg to abstract, and finally apt to install your Chrome browser. The other way is via visiting this link, and this will take me to the home page of the Chrome browser. Here you will find a very nice download button. Click on this, and here it will ask you for 64-bit DEB or 64-bit RPM. Since we are installing on Ubuntu, which is Debian based, so we are going to select 64-bit.deb, which is by default, by the way. Click accept and install. This will take you to the download page, and the download will start automatically, and here we can see the progress. And here you can see our download is complete. You can click on this file icon, it will take you to the download folder, and yeah, here it is. Now simply double click, or you can right click and open with application, software install, select. This will open file inside Ubuntu Software Center, and here you will find a very nice green button which is say install. Click on this and it will ask you for your login password. Hit enter for authenticate, and it will start installing your Google Chrome stable version. Alright, so our Google Chrome stable version is installed on your Ubuntu. Click super button, or you can simply click on this launch and search with the initials CHR for Google Chrome browser. Hit enter, and this will launch your Google Chrome for the very first time on Ubuntu machine. It's asking to make this browser default and automatically send users statistical crash reports to the Google. Let's click OK, and here it is. Now you have a very nice, secure and fast browser installed on your Ubuntu machine. Alright, that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, give this video a like, do subscribe to Educators, and press the bell icon for future updates. Thank you.